Hair loss is when you start losing your hair and it becomes thin or bald. This can happen because of many reasons like stress, not eating healthy food, using the wrong hair products, pollution, allergies, and it can also be because of your family history. But don't worry, there are many natural ways to help you get thicker and fuller hair. Here are some easy home remedies that you can try. Eggs. Eggs are a great source of protein, which is important for healthy hair. Take 1 or 2 eggs depending on the length of your hair and beat them properly. Apply the egg on wet hair and leave it for about 30 minutes. Wash your hair with lukewarm water and shampoo. You can use this protein treatment once or twice a week. Olive oil. Olive oil is also great for your hair. Massage your hair and scalp with warm olive oil and leave it on for at least 30 to 45 minutes. Rinse it out thoroughly and wash your hair using a mild shampoo. You can also mix olive oil with some honey and apply the mixture on your hair. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes and then wash your hair. Use either of these remedies once or twice a week. Avocado. Avocado is a fruit that can help moisturize and thicken your hair. Make a mixture of 1 mashed avocado, 1 mashed banana, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Massage it on your scalp and leave the mixture on your hair for about 30 minutes so that the nutrients are absorbed by the scalp. Finally, rinse it out and shampoo your hair. You can also make a hydrating hair mask by mixing 2 tablespoons of wheat germ oil with half of a ripe mashed avocado. Apply this hair mask on freshly shampooed hair and allow it to sit for at least 20 minutes. Rinse your hair thoroughly and then shampoo your hair. Use either of these avocado hair masks once a week. Castor oil. Massaging your scalp regularly with cold-pressed castor oil is one of the easiest ways to get thicker hair naturally. Due to its high viscosity, it coats the hair thoroughly and protects against hair fall. This oil has high amounts of vitamin E and fatty acids that promote hair growth. Heat a mixture of equal parts of castor oil and coconut oil. Apply it on your head and scalp and massage in circular motions. Comb your hair to distribute the oil and remove tangles. Cover your hair with a towel moistened with warm water. Leave it on for at least 1 hour and then shampoo your hair as usual. Do this once a week to enjoy lustrous and thick hair. Remember, it's important to take care of your hair every day by eating healthy food, not using too many hair products, and being gentle when you wash, dry, and brush your hair. If you're worried about hair loss, talk to your doctor to find out about appropriate treatments.